Oh wait, number 1. No, number 2. 3. Oh my gosh.
It's gonna be cart abandonment things.
Did I distract you?
Yes, I'm totally, totally flustered now.
Hey guys, it's Allison.
And Jared.
And we're gonna talk about the 5
e-commerce trends.
Yeah, that are really rocking it and showing a huge increase in our sales and our marketing because we all want to build a profitable business, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
I do.
And our memory card was full. So we're gonna start over again. Don't forget to like, share,
Yeah, subscribe.
all that social stuff. And let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with number 1 and we've got it here on our phone. And also if you leave a comment below if you're on Facebook or if you're on YouTube, there's gonna be a link down below, click it, and we will send you this list for free in your messenger. It's pretty magical.
It's a good list.
How that works. And that's actually the first thing I wanna start with is messenger bots are magical. People are on their phones. Facebook Messenger makes it really, really easy. Get your messengers going. Like that is a huge trend that we're seeing and jump on that bandwagon very fast. Okay, number 2.
Number 2, we're gonna do number 2. Accepting multiple forms of payment. It's been huge for us. We've been able to see big increases, spikes in sales just by offering more opportunity and more vehicles for people to pay with. So
I'm excited for
PayPal,
Apple Pay.
Apple
too.
Pay, PayPal.
I almost, like I got really
Man.
close to you.
This is a good list. Some of those different types of things.
Did I distract you?
Yes, I'm totally, totally flustered now. Yeah. But yeah, just multiple payment systems. It's huge, it's great.
Okay, number 1. No, number 2. 3. Oh my gosh. It's been a long day. Number 3, experiences. Okay, have you ever noticed that people will pay top dollar, like huge dollar to go to a concert, right? But yet they can get that same music on Pandora?
At Panda Express.
At Panda Express?
Pandora.
Maybe at Panda Express. At Panda, oh my god.
Pandora.
You guys, maybe we just need to start over. Today's been an awesomely cool day. Hey guys, it's Allison.
And Jared.
Pandora, you can get it for free, but they'll pay big bucks to go to a concert because they want the experience. So providing an experience for a customer shopping online leaves it memorable and they want to keep shopping with you. So when you deliver your packages to them, like what bonuses or what can you surprise them with so that they can have that experience with you instead of just opening up an ugly brown box with stuff in it.
That big
Yeah, like a package from grandma.
Right. Cookies.
Yeah, no, I don't know if that'll work. Okay, what's the next thing?
The number 4 is gonna be cart abandonment.
He's having issues today too.
You gotta have a way to solve those and resolve cart abandonment stuff. So there's in the different shopping stores, like Shopify, you can address that. You can set up tools and buttons and systems for abandoned carts. That's a huge...
ClickFunnels too.
Yeah,
Here's my plug for ClickFunnels because I like ClickFunnels.
That's a really good one. Yeah, there's lots of resources to address those that abandon their cart halfway through the process. And I think there's a pretty good conversion rate when you're able to reach out to them.
There's a really good conversion rate on that. We don't have the exact numbers. We should have probably pulled those up.
Should have pulled something up.
But just trust us because it really works.
Number 5.
Number 5. Engage early with a story, with a vision. Instead of just selling product, hey guys, buy this, buy this, buy this, that's gonna turn them off. But if you can show them a story, sell them a vision, you're gonna convert so much better. So when one of our first products that we had were blocks of wood, little tiny blocks of wood, and instead of just selling a block of wood, my neighbor totally thought they were trash and was like, Allison, what are you selling? I'm like, I'm selling blocks of wood. And he said, you're selling trash? To me, it wasn't trash. To me, it was moms and kids painting pictures or gluing pictures of their kids' faces on these blocks, wrapping it up and giving it to grandma for Christmas morning. That's what I saw. And then I also saw little chubby fingers turning like a countdown block down in anticipation for Santa Claus to come or for their birthdays to come. That's what I saw, and that's what converted. That block deal made over $9,000 in just 24 hours. I never sold blocks. I sold a vision of an experience, right?
People buy because of emotion, right?
They do buy
because of emotion. So if you
buy
can make
based
that
on
emotional
emotion.
connection, then it's huge.
Yeah. And really, it's an emotion of happiness and joy and improving their life. Think about that. How can you improve your customer's life? And it works really well. How do we know? We've done it for 7 years. Like, it just works. Improve people's lives and you convert better.
True.
Okay, those are our 5 tips. Like,
good ones.
share, leave a comment down
Subscribe.
below,
Something.
all that stuff.
And you'll get the 5 tips.
Yep. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.